In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on OneDrive. This process is straightforward and will only take about 3 minutes, so let's get started. First things first, you'll need to be logged into your Microsoft account. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and head over to the Microsoft account website. If you've set your browser to remember your login credentials, this step will be a breeze. Otherwise, you'll need to enter your email and password to access your account dashboard. Once you're successfully logged in, turn your focus to the upper right-hand corner of the page. Here, you'll notice a small icon that represents your profile. This might be your photo if you've uploaded one, or it could just be a generic silhouette. Go ahead and click on this icon. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to look for the option that says My Profile. Clicking on this will take you to your main profile page, where all your personal information is stored and can be updated. It's always a good idea to periodically check your profile to ensure everything is accurate and up to date. Now, on the profile page, locate a section labeled Your Info. You might find this option right on the home page of your profile. This section holds all your critical personal information, such as your name, email, and contact details. Clicking on Your Info will bring you to a more detailed view of your personal settings. Here, you'll want to look for an option that reads Edit Name. This is your next step for updating your name. Keep in mind that website designs can update over time, but these options should still be around within the Your Info page. Once you've clicked on Edit Name, you'll see fields for your first and last name. This is your opportunity to enter the new name you'd like to use. Whether you're updating a surname, reversing the order of multiple names, or reflecting a new identity, be sure to double-check your spelling. After you've updated your name, you'll likely encounter a CAPTCHA challenge. This is a simple security measure to verify that you're a real person making these changes. Carefully type out the characters displayed in the CAPTCHA box before proceeding. Finally, with all the fields correctly filled out, the last thing you'll need to do is locate the Save button and click it. This action will update your profile with the new name you've chosen. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your details have been successfully updated. And there you have it. Your name is now updated on OneDrive. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask. Have a great day.